Welcome to another week of social distancing from Mr. Z. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. I'm going to be bringing you some more magic tricks or science experiments, some dad jokes and riddles, and some more encouragement for your day. So you might notice that it looks a little bit different, and that is because my mom and dad this summer bought me a bag of lighting equipment that I decided to get out this weekend, and so I set that up. And now I've got a little bit better of a studio look for you this week. Today we're going to be playing with some dry ice that I picked up before the governor issued his stay-at-home warning. So let's give it a try. Usually use this funnel when I'm filling up water guns in the cold weather. So if you take a piece dry ice. You've probably heard of evaporation and condensation before, but what's happening here is something called sublimation. That's when a solid changes directly into a gas. Just gonna mix a little water with dish soap now. I think this, I should have gotten a towel too. Thanks. Alright, put some more in here. There we go. I took this storage container and attached a tube to this so that we can seal it off and make some bubbles that way. Got a bigger chunk of dry ice for this. Close off the top. Now I'm going to dip it into the soap. For this last one, we're going to try some big bubbles. Dip it in the soap and then drag it across the top. So dry ice is compressed carbon dioxide gas, and when you add hot water, it combines with the water to create fog, which is carbon dioxide and water vapor. The soap then traps the CO2 and the water vapor in a bubble until it pops. You'll also notice that the fog sinks both because it is colder than the air and the carbon dioxide is denser than air. I decided to mix it up today. Instead of doing dad jokes, I'm going to do some Monday memes for your week. My mom always told me I wouldn't amount to anything lying on the sofa, and yet here I am, saving the world. This is an important reminder. 9 p.m. is the time to remove your day pajamas and put on your night pajamas. You kind of start to understand why pets try to run out of the house when the front door opens. No, I'm not coming down. We've been on 20 walks today. Leave me alone. And because it's spring break this week, I'm guessing that some of you are going to be playing a few more video games than usual. Yo, y'all 10-year-olds better watch out. The OG gamers are logging on. The answer to the question, Friday's riddle was, how many birthdays does the average person have? The answer is 1. We all only get one birthday. So enjoy it. Today's riddle is, which weighs more, a pound of bricks or a pound of feathers? Your encouragement for today is from Lamentations 3, verses 22 and 23. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. I love this verse. Chose to start the week with it because God's mercies are new every day, every week. And that is good news for me. That is good news for you, that His mercy is new every single day. Because you're going to be on spring break this week, you're going to have a little bit extra time on your hands. So I would encourage you to spend some time in prayer and spend some extra time getting into God's Word just to see what He might be teaching you this week. And please remember to keep your social distance. And also make sure to wash your hands. Have a great day.